Changing your own oil on a Tacoma is fun, easy, and anyone can do it with the right tools and info. And to celebrate that can-do attitude, my daughter Marley and I are gonna change the oil on Sarge, my 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. You ready, Marley?
No.
No? Yes!
No.
Yes!
Okay. Yes.
Okay, there you go. Marley, high five. Yeah! All right, this video is sponsored by Haviland Motor Oil. Thank you to them for that. And by the way, happy Father's Day. Let's go. Do you want to say what tools we're going to use?
No.
What's the first thing we need for an oil change?
This thingy?
That's a torque wrench. Cool.
Okay.
What else?
This stuff?
Oil, yeah.
This toilet paper?
Safety glasses. Gloves. What else? Tube. These, so this, and this are actually from a Motivex Tacoma oil changing kit. So that's
Do we need this?
Yes, that's an oil filter housing wrench. And a 10 and 14 millimeter socket and a wrench and a torque wrench. And that's it. Oh, and an extension.
And these?
Yes.
And this?
And an oil filter, yes. You did it!
Dad, you forgot one important thing.
What?
Animal crackers.
And a drain pan.
Yeah, but mostly animal crackers.
Sorry.
You started it.
You're doing it, Marley, you're doing it. That should do it. Next thing we gotta do is we have to either remove the skid plates or remove the access doors if you have a fancy pants one like this CBI off-road fabrication front skid, because we need to get at the drain plug, obviously, and the oil filter housing. By the way, if you're interested in this skid plate or the CBI front bumper or the rock sliders or the roof rack, I've got a discount code and videos about all those things. 14 millimeter Marley, we crack it loose and then we slide this underneath it. So there we go, now it's loose. Laugh at me if I spill oil, okay? Okay. Hey, that's not bad.
Aw, it's getting
I spilled exactly like 5 drops. That's not that bad, Marley. Did it start flowing faster?
What do you mean by flowing fast?
I just took the cap off. That makes it flow a little faster. Marley, good job. Next, we need to remove the filter housing cover with this.
I'm eating bear brains right now.
Did you do it? But that's it right there. Oh crap.
And we have a problem. As you see in this footage, the filter cap is supposed to come off so you can then drain the oil out of the filter housing and then remove the housing. But this time the cap got stuck on the housing and it all came out at once.
Here comes a bunch of oil. Woo!
This is weird because I torqued the cap properly last time.
Nice. That's the piece that didn't want to come out. So you need to take the rubber gasket out of there.
This?
Yep. There you go. Now we need to take the old filter out. Cool. We got one more O-ring to take off. If you look right on the side, right there, you just need to take that off, and you can use the pick for that too. There you go, perfect. Then you just pull it off.
Let's go feed the tiger.
Yes. Nom 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 nom.
What tiger?
All right, you clean that filter housing. I want to be able to eat off that filter housing, okay? So clean the sides, make sure there's no gunk inside of the channels where the O-rings go. And also want to make sure there's no grime on the inside either. Time to put the new filter in the housing. You just want to slide it in there and make sure it goes all the way down. Careful. And it kind of clicks. Yep. So go ahead and unwrap our new O-rings. We'll put the little one on last, but we want to put the big one in that channel right there. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna, before we put that in, we need to lubricate that O-ring with oil, and then we'll be good to put it back in. Thread it in nicely, and you just get it to your hand tight, and then we'll torque it to 18 foot-pounds, okay? You gotta go righty-tighty. You're going lefty-loosey, you wanna go righty-tighty. There you go. Hey, it's working. Yeah, you're doing it right. So nice and slow. Torque wrench, nice and slow. This is your first time using a torque wrench, right? It's gonna just make a click. There it is. Oh, okay, and when you feel that click, don't try to push past it, because that means it's perfect. Last time this got stuck, so I'm gonna extra make sure this is lubed a lot, because I think that's why this would not come loose. Torque this guy, after we put this on there, to 10 foot-pounds and no more. That's it. So you see the oil pan where the oil drained out of? We're putting the plug back in where that came out of. It looks, yeah, keep going. Just lay on your side. There you go. Now you have plenty of room. Fancy pants people have a lift, but we don't have that. So you gotta make sure it's straight. It's not straight yet. You can twist it by hand. Gary, see like that? You can just twist it yourself and then line it up. There you go. Okay, and just perfect. It's 30 foot-pounds. Your arms have 30 foot-pounds of strength in them?
I don't know, probably.
Just give it a push. And oh, you were like 1 foot-pound away. I had to twist it for like a half a second. You get credit. You get credit for that. You did that part yourself. That was funny. Okay, Marley, you ready to pour in the new oil? Can you turn that they can't see you? There you go.
Yeah.
There she is. We got the Motivex funnel in here so we don't spill any more or any oil while we pour the stuff in. The plan is we're gonna pour this whole container, which is 6 quarts of oil, in there. Then we're gonna run the engine for a little bit, check for leaks, and then if there are no leaks, then we top off the oil to the second line on the dipstick.
Okay.
Sound
but
good?
What is the leaf for?
Why, let me tell you, Marley, more about Haviland Pro RS while we put this in. Because the leaf is part of it, because of nature. Haviland Pro RS Full Synthetic Oil is a top-tier performance oil that helps maximize engine performance. It's made of 25% sustainably sourced plant-based oils, hence the leaf. Okay. While it has all the performance benefits of a premium full synthetic oil, it also provides environmental benefits like outstanding fuel economy, emission control, lower carbon, and the fact that it's a USDA certified bio-based product. But most important to me, it exceeds the latest and most demanding industry and automaker standards, so you can be sure your engine is protected. I also personally love the easily recyclable packaging. Once the container is empty, there's very little plastic waste, and you can easily recycle the outer cardboard box. Thanks Haviland for showing my channel some love and sponsoring this video. Marley, we need to reset the maintenance light, so start the engine. Marley, hit back.
This?
Hit the back button, yep. Good. Hit enter for settings. It's the button in the middle. It's just like a D-pad, like a video game. Yep. Go down to hit that one, maintenance reset.
This one?
Yep. And then up to yes. Hit yes. You did it! That's it. Now we're done. You did a good job.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Bye now.
Okay. Bye.
Oh, yeah. Take this little
Okay.
soldier.
Oh, yeah, okay. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Guys, if you have kids, involve them in stuff like this, teach them stuff like this. They enjoy it, they love it. Marley's been doing oil changes with me and helping me in the garage ever since she was 4, and it just keeps on. We keep on doing more advanced things, and it keeps on getting more and more fun. So being a dad is by far the most fun and most challenging and most important job any of us will ever have. So until next time, my friends, happy Father's Day, God bless, and don't forget to yourself.